Hello guys, welcome to the best channel that gives you the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. And today we are here again at the Ilu Aseyori farm. Right now, this is where you will get the best and the best palm oil plantation. Now, for a lot of you that has been asking, how can I get started? Now, this is the most easiest way to own a palm oil plantation in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria or you are a Nigerian living in the diaspora and you want to invest in palm oil business without any encumbrances, you don't have the time, this is a good planned model for you to get started. Now, this plant farm offers you a full package: the land, the palm trees, the management, the marketing, and the selling of everything that is coming out from this farm. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your investment grow, and also smile to the bank every year. Now, how do you do this? Number one, you key into the land. Now, when you acquire piece of land here, which is in acres, in hectares, you also get free palm of these seedlings planted for you for free. Now, these seedlings you are seeing here, they are Tenera species, and each of these seedlings are going for the price of 3,000 naira. And now you are getting it for free, no matter the number of acres, hectares, or plots that you are acquiring in this estate. And the plantation for you too are done for free. Now again, this farm, we also manage it for you for free for 3 years to 4 years until your palm oil gets fully matured and fruiting. So how many farms will give you that if it's not for this particular estate that I'm bringing to you? So all you need to do is relax and watch your investment grow. All right, now this farm you are seeing here is selling very, very affordable. I know a lot of people would tell you to go into the market, acquire farms selling for 200k, 300k. Have you thought of the security? Have you thought of the documentation? Have you thought of Omolile? Have you thought of management of the farm? Do you get? When you put all these things together, do you have the time? Do you have the capacity to do that? And if you think that you don't have, this is a well-planned, structured model secured for you to start in if you are living in the diaspora. Here you can own 100 hectares of land. You can own 10 hectares of land. You can own 3 acres of land. You can own any number of land except plots in this particular estate. There's other estates where you can also own in plots if you want to, but here hectares on this particular farm is located at Iwekoro Ibese Road in Abeokuta, Axis of Ogun State. So you see, everything here is done, prepared for you. All you need to do is call, key in, and again, you can even start with initial deposit and enjoy payment plan. You just relax, no rush, no pressure. Just key in with a payment plan and start paying small and get your farm done. Now you can see the partners. Look at it. This thing is real. See the number of partnership. Do you get? This company is partnered with respected and known organizations in Nigeria and even across the West Africa. So what are you waiting for? Why not key in now and enjoy what people have been enjoying? Now you can see allocations are done here. When you buy, you'll be allocated. The land belongs to you 100%. Your name, everything will be done.
Today is our location and also the launching of the Palmrich Estate Phase 8 that I've been talking about, and today happy clients plenty here. So if you have not subscribed, you are missing a lot of money on the table. You know why? This is the happy client. So here, this client subscribed with 1 hectare and today he has been allocated. That is to show you that what we are doing here is strictly this business. We are intentional in giving you the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. What we are doing here is genuine, is sustainable, and it's something that you can take to the bank and withdraw. Not the one you can take to the bank without withdrawing. This you can take to the bank and withdraw. So if you have not subscribed, we still have acres of land here. We sell in acres and we sell in hectares. So the price is fast rising, and if you don't click in now, you can see over there a lot of people are there for the launching and also for the allocation of this amazing investment opportunity. So it's the right time for you to invest here. It is now. See here, I am inside the rain, and it's all for good just because of you. You know how you do it. GTA Estate and Properties, we always want to give you the best real estate investment opportunity in the market. What do? Just call us and we'll give you more details on how you can be a member of this progress and this prosperity that is happening in Ilu Aseyori. Alright guys, bye guys. I want to show you.
So if you have been waiting for, you are losing money on the table. And don't forget, you invest in real estate now because the price increase every day. So why not come in now, invest now, so that you can get a very good high return on investment. Don't forget again, this investment opportunity is transgenerational. You can earn from this even in the next 50 years. So what are you waiting for?